Hey guys, this is a 2006 Mustang GT, and the fix that we're doing today is the gasket on the oil filter housing. If you see a leak in the front of your engine, not the back or like where the oil is, the oil pan resides, and you see it more in the front, definitely just get underneath there and look. Most likely it is your gasket. They are known for leaking. So I'll show you how to get that done. You're going to want to first remove these screws here that I'm showing you. This one in the far back of the hose. Then you have this one on top of the hose area, like right here. And then you have this one on the bottom. Once you start loosening it up, it's going to start leaking out. You can stop there to let it drain. Or if you have a large pan, you can just pop it off completely and let it drain out pretty fast. On the description, you'll see the list of tools that I use to take this off. After removing the bolts, you're going to see it's going to leak out for a little bit, if not a lot. Just have your pan underneath to catch all the liquid, all the coolant, and a little bit of oil that does leak out. Don't be alarmed, we're going to clean all this up later on, and we're going to clean up the housing too as well. Now, this is what your gasket looks like after taking it off the housing. After cleaning it up, I did see a couple of nicks on the right hand side here. Nothing on the left, but really on the right side. So I'll kind of show that to you just so you can like take a gander at it. But yeah, we got the old one out. Solid. You can see right there on the right side there's like a little nick on the one right here I'm cleaning up first. On the right and the left side here, this one looks pretty good, but yeah, this seems to be the one that was cut up here, as you can see. Best way to do this is to line up these gaskets with the screws. So I'll show you what I mean by that when it's time to install it, so that way the gasket goes on evenly. But you can tell by the shape how it's supposed to go. Now, next thing to do before you put that in, just kind of clean everything up a little bit, and then from there, this is how you put it in. Notice how I didn't tighten it up all the way, but I actually held the gasket in and I put the screws in just to make sure the gasket's held into place on all sides and it is evenly put in. Once you've tightened everything up, it's time to put your oil filter on, your new one at least. Never use your old one. Put a decent layer of fresh oil on the oil filter, and that way it doesn't like seize when it's time to change it again later on. This is what it's going to look like when you do it right. Here's your oil filter, and then you can see that layer right there. Some brands actually already do it for you. This one does not, so you should do it yourself. Obviously, righty tighty, lefty loosey. We'll put everything in, and we'll test everything out from there once we install it. But make sure that you do not over tighten it with any tool or anything like that. But hand tight's always the best way to go until it can't go any further. You know, you can use a cloth or rag for extra grip, but that's what you want to do. And when you're ready, go ahead and turn it on to check for leaks. If you don't see no leaks, you're good to go. And that's what we're going to do. Perfect, it's on. We don't have any more of those oil leaks or nothing. It's running smooth and I'm all around happy. When you get a chance to, what I like to do is I'd still do an oil change, so definitely do that too. But other than that, appreciate you guys watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and I really appreciate your time, guys.